Right, part 2, cleaning up. Just clean this up. I don't know, but the situation with my cats are getting very worse. Because they're getting clever, they're getting more smart and intelligent than anyone would care to think a cat, you know, because you just look at all these cat videos, you can see how many of them are very persistent and determined to get opens a door, a cupboard, fridge, whatever. Oh, I tell you, don't underestimate them. Don't underestimate. At least the soup didn't go over the legs of this place. Oh, fuck's sakes. I didn't make too much mess in the fridge. God damn it. They went everywhere else. It went everywhere else. Fucking hell. Unreal. Unreal.